Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace a headlight on a Mazda 3 second generation. We'll be demonstrating on one side, but it will be exactly the same for the other side as well. Unfortunately guys, you will have to remove the bumper. So stay with us to see. We will have the video how to remove the bumper now, and then we'll remove the headlight as well. Don't forget to check out our other channel as well, the main channel. We have about 500 videos and it's growing super fast. So what you need to do, you need to open the hood first, and you need to support it, of course. It's not a very complicated procedure, but it will take you a while, and knowing what to do, it will be way better without breaking things. So now you don't need to remove those clips right here. What we need to do, we need to remove the clip right there now. So what you need to do, flathead screwdriver, go between the two pieces, spread them and pull it out. You need to do the same thing to the one right here as well. You can see, and after that we need to go and do a few more. This one is pretty tight, some of them are super tight, so you might need to use pliers to pull them out depending. Okay, now we need to do this one right here as well. So what we did guys, we need to repaint this one because it was painted in the past and it does not match the paint. You can see this one is more greenish than this one. This one should be white for a while, this one is in green. Okay, after that you need to go ahead and remove the one right here, one there and the one at the end. Okay, right there. Next, you need to get a 10mm socket, which you should go the other way. Yeah, the other way. And we need to remove two bolts now. Okay, the one there and the one in the other corner next to the headlight. So now you can see the bumper is loose on top. You don't need to remove all these. Those clips are part of the plastic that holds the bumper together on the bottom. You'll see, we'll show you what exactly we're talking about. So now we need to start the car and turn the steering wheel and the tires all the way to the left. Okay, you'll see now. Okay, just like that. And now we have a few more that we need to remove here. So now guys, the fender liner there, we need to remove a few clips. Those get messed up sometimes, so we need to get a flathead screwdriver between the two pieces, and with a Phillips screwdriver, if you can go a little bit. Those if you reuse them a couple of times, they go bad because the thread is plastic thread, so you need to kind of like pull them out. Okay, you can see just like that, the two pieces now. Okay, let me see if I can get a little bit better view. Okay, that's what they look like. And now we need to do one there. Okay, and one is missing. So you have altogether three that you need to do. One here, one there, and one on top right here. But one of ours is missing. And right here we have one that we need to remove with a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver. You can do that as well. That's the bumper bracket right there. So go ahead, remove that one now. So now we need to go inside the car and we need to turn the steering wheel the opposite direction. We need to go all the way to the right now. So we need to start it and turn all the way to the right. So we have the video guys how to make us put a Can-Am filter without buying the whole kit. So you can check out the video, we'll have it soon on our channel. And now here you need to do the same procedure. You need to remove one clip here. You have one on top and one on the very top, one in the middle. So altogether you have three clips there that you need to be removing. And this one is pretty stuck again. Those things are terrible sometimes. So we'll just make it a little bit longer to show you if they get stuck like that, how to remove them, because otherwise... Okay, one there, that one came off. And now we need to remove that bolt right here with a Phillips screwdriver. That's the one that holds the bumper to the bumper bracket that's attached underneath. So now let me show you, we're in the left corner right here, and we need to remove a few bolts, as you can see, either with a 10mm or a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, that's what they look like right here. So you have two right here, one more after that, so altogether we have three so far. Trying to get the best view that we can, show you that you can do it at home. Okay, and after that you can see there is a couple more right there. Okay, and this one in the middle there. And a few more right there as well. You need to go on this side here and remove those as well. Three bolts, the same with the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, right there. Now we have two more with a 10mm socket or wrench. You need to take it off, one there and one in the other corner that we left. Okay, you need to take it off just like that. So now guys, we need to start pulling on it a little bit right here. It goes in the clip, so you need to be super careful not to break anything. Okay, like that. You can just grab it and go ahead and pull it out. And as you can see, that's the whole bumper assembly right here. Okay, so now in order to remove the headlight, what you need is a 10mm socket. Let me show you why you needed to remove the bumper. Those brackets right here, they hold the bumper. That's why. And those are, you don't actually even need to remove those. You need to remove that bolt right here with a 10mm. That's under the bumper as well, so you cannot reach it. You have one right here and you have one clip as well. So you need the Phillips screwdriver to do that. Okay, we have this one right here. So far not complicated at all. And this one you just unscrew the middle part and pull it out just like that. Okay, next there is one bolt that holds the headlight and the fender and the bumper bracket right there. 10mm socket, take it off just like that. So 3 bolts, 1 clip so far. And now if you grab the headlight, you need to disconnect the wires by pressing down here, and you need to pull both pieces apart. Okay, like that. And you have the headlight right here, guys. You can see how simple it is once you remove the bumper and stuff. Not complicated at all. So let us know what you think. Hopefully the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.